Alright, today is Independence Day, also the first day of the event that we're going to, which is ToyCon 20... Is it ToyCon 2026 Nexus or ToyCon Nexus 2026?
TOYCON Nexus 2026.
Alright, so this video is probably coming out June 13, which is the Saturday, which the event should still be ongoing. It's ToyCon Nexus because their whole theme this year is like it's the Nexus event or something to that effect, where there's like all the geeky hobbies, not just toys, are happening. It's like they have a mano in there somewhere today when you see this, which is Saturday, and stuff like that. So they have a TanderCon going on Saturday as well. So if you're seeing this Saturday, you have time to do that, and a bunch of stuff. They also have the original pink Japanese Dino Ranger, Power Ranger, the pink original Power Ranger, Terra Ranger. Yeah, and other stuff. So yeah, we're going Friday, obviously. So I think most of the interesting stuff might actually be happening Saturday and Sunday, because this is a day one thing. So we'll see. Oh wow, there's not a lot of people. Are we in the right place? Yes, we
Yeah,
are.
you're in the right place.
No, but this is surprisingly
also
not a lot.
There's usually banners and stuff, not the
There's
front.
banners inside, but there's normally a line outside. There's a line for parking. The SMX actual parking, that's always full if you're not early in the morning. But now even the side parking for NU is full. Obviously mobile parking is going to be full as well. Then expect this, the roads look super unbusy, and then the lines going, like the streets going into the parking doesn't look busy, so I guess everyone's just here for ToyCon. It is our fault. It is past 1 in the afternoon. We normally go here really early. We figured we'd try going late and see how it feels, but yeah, clearly this line is long. Right, just got parking and now we're walking to the place. We're bringing a cart with us. A lot of people do it, so because you're buying toys with big boxes and stuff, so bringing like a small cart is ideal. We're also bringing it because we're also trying to get rid of like a few more Pokemon cards that I don't want. Is over here. So yeah, just so it's easier to bring, and then I believe there are vendors here for that. So hopefully it's probably like maybe a couple of $100 left. We already got rid of most of the big stuff from previous card cons, which we didn't get to shoot. So yeah, so now we're gonna get our passes and then we're gonna go in. Yeah, surprisingly not a lot of people for the first day. I guess might be because of the long weekend. Where are we going? Alright, so we got our media passes. ToyCon was a bit stingy this year, but still thank you ToyCon for the one media pass. So we have to buy another one for Tish. There's a Kara cosplay, there's a Wax, whatever. There's a Supergirl thing here as well because it's releasing next week. Check that out. So yeah, now we're gonna go in. Again, thank you ToyCon, even if it's just one pass, but yeah, we're now going in. They have a motorcycle raffle for Saturday and Sunday. These are tiny Honda bikes, but they're still bikes. We can't do it today because today is a Friday. But yeah, if you're going Saturday or Sunday, which you are because you're not here today and you're watching this Saturday, then yeah, make sure to drop by that place right there to check out the mechanics. It's about selfies and stuff like that. We're already inside, but we ran into like the Pokemon vendors like right in front of the gate, so we're just gonna see if they want anything from our cards. So like they're checking out a bunch of our cards. 700 for a couple of cards. All right. That was a good start, where we actually got like around 3,000 pesos instead of spending. So yeah, good day. So today they have this kind of art gallery showcasing Amano art. Like you can clearly tell, it's very similar to the Final Fantasy cover art style. So yeah. We tried asking the people from Amano's team why he's not allowed to sign stuff from Final Fantasy and Magic the Gathering cards, and I just asked, is there a reason? And the lady just politely said, maybe.
Sige, sir.
Yeah, we got Percy!
Paano na lang? Ano yung store nyo?
Pampachings collectible po. And pangalan sa Facebook po.
Facebook. Okay, we did finally find the yamper that we want, which we've been trying to look for a while. So yeah. This is where they do their cosplay meet and greets.
So Alodia released like a collaboration toy with
With?
this artist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's a dragon, like a black dragon.
We're here with Isla Baraja and Stash TCG. They basically bought, I forgot, is it called Basic Energy
Yes,
cards?
Basic Energy.
Basic Energy cards from base set to Neo Gen. So, yeah, if you need cards, these guys. Isla Baraja and Stash TCG. Alright.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Hi guys, Stu and Odie. Hello. We're here from Puzzle Fox. My favourite's this one. But it seems like a Strilda and the unicorn seems to be going really well.
I do really like the colors here.
Yeah.
Oh, because there's a unicorn at the back.
We're just out here just showing us off, potentially trying to find a distributor, anyone that wants to buy some, offering a 30% discount for the conference.
We've got a promo code.
A promo code.
I'll show them the QR. They have Big Boy doing a signing thing right there. I think that guy is supposed to be Chris Pratt. Or no, but it's not a Velociraptor, it's something else. Anyway, there's a battery shop here, which is weird, but at the same time, toys need batteries. Look at these caps. Yeah, bumamog sa may art box. They have a giant lotus slide here that seems to be made of recycled materials like paint cans and ice cream cans and stuff like that. They have Cameron Joshi and Matty Mello there. These are the international girl groups. They're surprisingly just out in the open there. Like you approach them to get like your digital photos and stuff like that. This shop seems to just specialize in tiny food. And this one is all bread themed. Things like stuffed toys and stuff.
I would if it was a 0.63, but it's a 0.
Should I set it to candy?
Yes!
Alam na eh. Oh, and candy blade. Yep, there you go.
Right, so that was most of the. So we did go through everything in the first floor. Of course, we're not gonna show everything because that's just gonna be like 5 hours of content. Well, 4 hours of content to be exact. So it did only take us 4 hours to go through the first floor. Obviously, we didn't go like deeply into all of the things, mostly because we already have a lot of the things we want. So it's just things that we lack for collections and stuff, and then just additional stuff. There's just the second floor, but I think we're gonna eat now, or what are we doing?
Yeah, eat first. I'm hungry.
Okay. So we always get from Poland, but this time we got. This is the first time getting the roast beef. It's but we had the usual sisig. What's that? Salpicao. Which is the thing that people complain about. It's for the salpicao is it's not salty enough. That's why we always get it with the sisig. But the roast beef is the first time trying it. It's actually kind of expensive. It's 400, but we'll see. We have people taking photos with the Halo Halos mascot. Right now, checking out this year's toy gallery. I started off shooting all of the cubes and then realized that there were just too many, so I just shot the ones that I like. Anyway, that was the toy gallery, and now we're gonna see what's in the second floor. Alright, so apparently all the second floor stuff, there's nothing today, Friday, but I know, if I remember correctly, all the Magic the Gathering and other tournaments are gonna be here tomorrow. So maybe it's just part of it's all, obviously not all the hall. So I guess that means today we're done for the con, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So yeah, that's it. I guess we might look around a bit more, and then if not, then we'll just head home. On our ride home, so they did have the, what do you call that, like a circus thing. Do you know what that's about?
Thrill Joy? I'm not too sure. I think they're a
what?
sponsor. It's called Thrill. It's a group called Thrill Joy.
Oh, that's the Thrill Joy something.
Yeah.
I guess they do like mall events and stuff like that. They're basically circus, carnival kind of thing. But otherwise, we would have actually shot a lot more if we knew that there wasn't a second floor. For some reason, I know this is probably our fault, but for some reason, it felt like there was supposed to be a second floor. I know it's supposed to be tomorrow, or just tomorrow and Sunday or something.
Yeah.
But it's just that with how things were, it just felt like there was supposed to be something in the second floor. So yeah, sorry if we didn't show as much of the toys as we would, because I thought we were going to be showing much more. Or I don't know, maybe this video is long to begin with and I just don't feel it. But yeah, all of the toys you normally look for are there. There's not any less, there's not less toys. But it's weird because I feel like I didn't feel like there was something we wanted too much.
I think we already have everything we
No,
need.
it's just also like even the ones we wanted last time, like the Sakamoto ones, everything we wanted last time was also not in stock. Like it wasn't here this time as well.
Yeah, I didn't see any.
And people looked like they were not buying as much. I don't know.
That is true, yeah. I did notice
Because
that.
like last time, remember, everyone was buying huge boxes of things.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's because people switched to cards. Because a lot of people were still buying Pokemon. A lot of people, now Riftbound got added. And there's a lot of people buying Riftbound. So I don't know if people switched to smaller things. But there weren't a lot of gigantic boxes being brought around. There was also a lot less gacha. I don't even think, except for the one that's card gacha, I didn't see a lot. But anyway, I think most of the excitement is gonna be on the Saturday and the Sunday, which is the usual thing. Usually we go on the Friday just because it's normally not a holiday. And that's the best day to buy things. Like everything, there's no lines and everything. This being a holiday kind of defeats the purpose. Like it's just the weekend, except there's less activities. So I feel like you guys watching this, you're probably watching the Saturday morning or Friday night. Saturday and Friday is probably the best days to go. I am super curious about ThunderCon, what that's gonna be about. But I'm also not competing in any of the Magic the Gathering or Pokemon events, so I don't know. The invite there. I do have passes for both days, so I'll consider going. But probably this is gonna be the only vlog. So yeah, if you see this, if you see me around Saturday and Sunday, do say hi. But that's unfortunately you do not get to be in the vlog. But yeah, I guess that's it. ToyCon is still awesome. It's just the toys that we have this year doesn't seem to be the toys that we're normally looking for. Like the Chogokin has the Voltes 5 now, like the one that the GMA version, which is going to be a big thing for everyone. That's not something I'm gonna get because I don't even have the original. I'd rather get the original first. So yeah, like things like those. And there's actually a lot more cosplayers this time as well, not more than the actual cosplay cons, but more than the usual ToyCon. But anyway, yeah, that's it. That's ToyCon. See you around. Stacy. Wow.